guys! Welcome back to another unboxing here at SkinLure. With the growing demand of hair restoration, SkinLure finally said yes to Kai Aesthetics. Kai Aesthetics has been with us for more than 3 years already. Why Artex? Because we all know PRP has been in the market since 1970s. And for hair restoration, it became a fad 2017. But this one, the Artex is a double safe system wherein we get the blood right away and then we centrifuge it. So this is so important because just one treatment, you see result. So come, join me. Let's open the box. So we're so excited to cater our new clients, especially with the growing demands of hair restoration, especially for those clients who have hair transplant done and for those clients who have thinning hairs. So guys, please support and follow our YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Live, and more. Thank you guys for your support. Bye for now.